first question I want to ask you is just, how did you find the course? Like, what do you like? Did you like it? Did you not like it? What did you like about it? Like, what did you think about the course just as a whole?
Yes, I like it because I was in need to get to know about the basics of the how to edit the videos that I'm going to shoot from now on. So yeah, it was very helpful for me. I learned and I progressed a lot during these weeks.
How did you find my teaching? Like, did you understand anything? Is there anything that you'd want me to like change if I was going to do it again?
Yeah, thumbs up. No, no, no.
No, it's okay. No, be honest. Honestly, it's like,
No, it was very very interesting coming to the class and because you have plenty of knowledge and it helped me a lot. So yeah, it was very good, understandable and very efficient with the teaching. Yeah, the skills is like well, I'm getting to use when I come to edit. Um, it's easy for me to remember where to start, how to organize the folders before, because is very essential to have these folders organized. So yeah, I've been doing all these steps, and it's quite helpful for me. Yeah, following all these one by one, and then when I come to edit, in the timeline is practical. It's very easy as well. Yeah.